lake of stillness, mirror wide, holding sky and dreams inside. Sempach rests in gentle light, a town of stone, a soul in flight. Walls that watched the ages pass, fields that waved in morning grass. The breeze recalls a time once near, when knights and hope once gathered here. Each tower casts a thoughtful gaze, over waters soft as haze. History hums beneath each street, where past and present calmly meet. And as the drone begins to soar, above the lake, the trees, the shore, Sempach breathes with quiet grace, a timeless, floating, sacred place.